I'm Linus.
I'm Dana.
We are with Hitching Up
and Moving On.
Here we have some drone footage from the Old Greenville recreation area. Old Greenville is part of the Wapapella Lake project located off Missouri State Route 67 near Piedmont, Missouri. It's built on the site of the old town of Greenville along the St. Francis River. The town had to be relocated when Lake Wapapella was created, and it was feared that it would be in a flood area. Because the campground is in hill country, we had no antenna channels on the TV, but our AT&T hotspot worked great, so we were able to stream channels and use our laptops. The original sidewalks and some building foundations are there with informational signs. The Memory Lane Trail takes you through the town. You can walk or ride your bike around the old town, around the entire campground, to the river, over the river, or down the 3-mile path to the new town of Greenville. There you will find one of the best ice cream stands so you can treat yourself after your ride or walk. Altogether, there are around 40 miles of hike and bike trails. If you don't bring your own bike, there's a bicycle rental shop in town. They have a convenient drop-off spot in the campground. The campground has over 100 large paved sites that are all full hookup. In the campground and the day use area, there are shower houses, playgrounds, basketball and volleyball courts, horseshoe pits, and 14 picnic sites. There's even a boat dock. Although the St. Francis feeds into Lake Wapapella, the campground is not very close to the lake. However, there are plenty of water activities on the lake if you want to go there. And if you are brave enough, or a history buff, you can check out the old cemetery along the river in the campground. This is a fun, relaxing campground to spend some time. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, the best is yet to see.